Have you ever considered how vital cleanliness and contamination prevention are in surface mount technology? Surface mount technology, or SMT, is the backbone of modern electronic devices. It's the method of making electronic circuits by mounting components directly onto the surface of printed circuit boards. Now let's think about cleanliness and contamination prevention. These two factors are crucial in SMT. Without maintaining cleanliness, we expose our products to potential defects and failures. Dust, debris, or even unwanted residue from the manufacturing process can lead to decreased product quality, reduced lifespan of the product, and increased production costs. Contamination, on the other hand, can lead to short circuits, soldering problems, and other issues that can severely affect the performance of electronic devices. It's like a ticking time bomb, waiting to explode and cause damage. As you can see, maintaining cleanliness and preventing contamination are critical for ensuring the production of high-quality and reliable electronic devices. Now that we understand the importance of cleanliness in SMT, let's explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this aspect through a case study. Consider the example of OptiClean, a leading SMT manufacturing company. OptiClean was once plagued by inefficiencies in their cleaning procedures. The manual system meant that certain areas might be overlooked, and optimal cleaning methods were not always chosen. This resulted in a significant amount of time and resources wasted. But with the implementation of AI, they managed to turn things around. AI came in as a game changer, helping OptiClean identify the exact areas that needed cleaning down to the microscopic level. This meant that no area was overlooked and each area received the precise level of cleaning required, significantly reducing unnecessary cleaning and saving resources. The AI system also excelled in deciding the optimal cleaning methods. By analyzing various factors, such as the level of contamination, type of residue, and the material of the components, it could choose the most effective and least damaging cleaning process.